y'all. It's flat. The lashes, I got about 6 some on. I never have the time to play with y'all. Yeah, let's go to the cabins. What is pippity popping YouTube? Katrina Galena here, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey cousin, subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. So guys, today, well really tomorrow, I'm leaving for a cabin trip. But that just means that today, I need to get ready. And as you can see, the hair is in a scarf, not done. The lashes, I got about 6 some on, need them done. Nails still done from last time, but I also need to get a 2-piece from Beauty Master. I need to pack my clothes. I need to do like a couple of little things. So today that's what we're gonna be getting done. So yeah, this is a maintenance vlog. Get ready with me to go to the cabins. Y'all, right now we're driving so I can pick up my package real quick. These just some vitamins, but I want to be able to take them over the weekend and stuff because I need that to start kicking in now so I can have a peaceful, great time this weekend. Besides that, I'm about to go home. So I'm gonna see y'all a little bit later when I actually get close to getting my package, because at this point I'm 18 minutes away and I don't know how. Okay guys, so I am here now. Finally, missed the turn, got lost, all of that. But I'm here now. So y'all, I got my package. Finally, now I can go return home. I don't have to come back at the house. I actually do have to come back at the house. I have to go get a button-down shirt because I start my new job today. And then I can go home. Well, what time is it? I'm gonna do that later. Don't feel like going out there yet, but I'll just stop at like Walmart or DD's or Ross or something like that. Get a white button-down and I'm good to go. So let's go to his house. Well guys, update on my life. I am broken down on the side of the road. The tire is flat, y'all. It's flat. So now I have to wait for a spare tire. That's gonna take like over an hour. But I'm tired. I'm tired and I really want to go to sleep. So I think I might do that, but I don't know, y'all. It's not really safe, is it? But it's daytime and it's cars drive right there. Does that even matter though? Then if you look over here, right next to the woods, like, stay alert, stay alive. But yeah guys, what a way to kick off my weekend. First day of work later on today. Still need to go to Wally World. Currently 9:24. I was gonna try to do that in the morning because I work at 1 o'clock. So you see, I had a plan. All I needed was a platform. Guess I'm just about to sit here for a little bit and wait, because what else can I do? So guys, my tire is about to get changed. The tire is about to get changed. Beat Bertha out. Yes. Hey vlog, I'm in the passenger seat now. Back where I belong. We got the tire on the car. Yeah. But y'all, I'm back in the passenger seat. The tire is on the car. The car is driving. We are in the car. The car is on the street. The street is on the earth. It's time to go to Walmart. Like, let's get out of here. I'm so glad. But I still gotta go to work. So, let's just go, I guess. So guys, we are in Walmart. Need that. Okay guys, so I am off work I'm off work and now it's time to do my hair. Y'all see that bust down? Do you see it? We're gonna go ahead and get that installed. I'm trying to decide on if I'm gonna take out my quick weave or if I'm just gonna put my quick weave up under it. I'm gonna braid my weave out and see just how flat it is and see if the quick weave is peeling or anything, and then we'll figure it out from there. Okay, y'all, so I know y'all probably like, girl, take that quick weave out and put that wig on the top. But I'm not doing that. We're gonna peel my weave out back. We're gonna peel my weave out back, put this in a little ponytail, and we're gonna do a wig install because DIY, do it yourself. I'll never leave you. Right now. Got your body rocking side to side. I put you on and now you're feeling right. Huh? Okay, y'all, so right now, I'm letting my second layer of glue dry. While I'm doing that, I should probably bleach my knots. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. I'm finna bleach my knots. Don't even have a brush, guys. Can I use a makeup brush? Will that work? Y'all know it's crazy. I got this bag from a wig. Great wig, whichever one it was. So y'all, to do my bleach, I'm gonna use the regular BW2 powder and some 40 developer because I don't have the time. I never have the time to play with y'all. So I need some 40 developer. Y'all, my wig better come out cute too, or else. I don't even know what the else is, but just know else. So y'all, I put the bleach on the knots. The knots have bleach on them. So while I wait for that to dry, first thing I'm gonna do is just comb the hair here just to make sure I don't got no bleach on the weave because I don't need brown hair. I need brown roots, brown lace. So guys, while that dries, I'm going to finish up my bald cap method. As you can see, it's really like super dry. Oop, tacky, but whatever. And then I'm going to put this freeze spray on there just to give me one more level of security. Once that dries, I'm going to cut off my... Y'all already know the process. So guys, I've done my bald cap method. It's giving bald cap, like bald cap. But I'm currently... Looks like I'm about to rinse this wig, actually. So yeah, I'm about to go rinse this wig and then I can start back. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I think I just put it in a song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. So guys, the little break time, I am about to go to Beauty Master, see if I can find this two-piece real quick before they close. Then we're gonna head back to my home, and in my home, I'm gonna finish this up. All I gotta do now is let this sit under the band, because you know EK said an hour is power. And then after that, I just gotta cut my bangs, do me some curls, cut my legs. Let's just go before I get too excited to do it. We are at Beauty Master.
second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell her turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Good morning, America. Let's see how I'm looking. Cool, great. I'm about to go. And I'm about to. First, we have to go get a tire for a car. I have to go to the storage unit to get my suitcase. Then we have to come back here. I don't know if I'm gonna pack up my stuff first or take a shower and get ready. Then I'm gonna go to my lash appointment. But first I gotta get cash. So at some point I gotta stop at the ATM. So I don't know, y'all. Just know we got a lot to do today. Peace. Y'all, it's cold as freak out here. My hair's not out. The window got cold stuff on it. It's cold as freak out here. Y'all, when I tell y'all that week wasn't going nowhere, I really mean that. It really couldn't go nowhere. So y'all, we stopped at the gas station. So while we're stopped, I'm gonna take out my hair and maybe it'll, you know. Okay, y'all, so we actually just left the tag office and now we are at Burger King for that breakfast. 2 for $5, ham, egg, and cheese croissants. Yeah, that's me. We already got our cash because we was at Wells Fargo at the bank. Well, at the ATM thing that's drive-through. Yeah, and then after that, gotta go home and pack. Also, guys, there was no suitcase in the storage. Where are my suitcases? If you know, let me know, please. I'm swearing, I swear. I'm swearing, my body. Hey, y'all, so we are leaving now. As y'all can see, I'm dressed. I'm about to go to my lash appointment, but I did not even take my lashes off, y'all. So I got my coconut oil, and I'm about to do this on the way to the lash appointment. And that way, they'll be off by the time that I get there. Hopefully, I don't need a lash bath because then, like, I'm just gonna tell her no. I'm gonna say I don't have no money. I have the money, but I'm not about to. Okay, guys, the lashes are off. So now I can get my lash set in peace. All my stuff is in the car. We gotta go. Hey y'all, so I just got to my lash appointment and I'm finna get ready to go inside. I'll just text her and let her know that I'm here. And yeah, let's go ahead and get inside and get me some spikes and some bottoms and some lashes. So y'all, I'm done getting my lashes done. Y'all. My eyes was watering so bad, but I sat in that chair until I didn't need no more air. So, yeah, there's that. My eyes ain't burning no more. And I got my spikes and my bottoms like I was complaining about last time. So, yeah, I'm that girl today. Yeah, let's go to the cabins.
Bottles and bubbles, girls with tattoos.